Right guys, before I start, if you haven't already, please subscribe on our channel. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a professional landscaper, our cordless grass trimmer is the perfect tool for achieving obviously a perfect trimmed lawn without any hassle. This is our 18V XL grass trimmer cutter. This is a lightweight design with a soft rubber grip handle and offers complete mobility while in use. This trimmer comes with a telescopic handle and 3-position adjustable working angle, all the way from 0 to 180 degrees. This enables you to trim easily around corners and edges in your garden. It's got a cutting width of 300mm, ideal for trimming lawn edges and small lawn areas. These are compatible with all 5A and 2A XL batteries. Shop this now at toolsfortrade.co.uk, and if you haven't, please like and subscribe on our channel.